In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a Stripe account step by step. If you've decided it's time to part ways with Stripe for whatever reason, I'm here to guide you through the process smoothly and efficiently. We'll go from start to finish in just a few minutes, ensuring you know exactly what to do without any confusion. First things first, head over to the Stripe website. Open your preferred web browser and type in stripe.com in the address bar at the top. Once the Stripe homepage loads, take a look at the upper right hand corner. You'll see the option to sign in. Go ahead and click on that. If you haven't already signed in, this will prompt you to enter your login credentials. Now, this is the point where you'll need to provide your email and password. Make sure that you're entering the correct information associated with your Stripe account to avoid any hiccups. Once you've input your details, click on the sign in button to access the Stripe dashboard. Now that you're inside your account dashboard, the next step is to navigate to the settings page. You'll find this option on the menu. It might be represented by a gear or simply labeled settings. Click on this to expose a range of options regarding how to manage and configure your account. Next, within the settings, look for account settings. Here you should see several options related to your account preferences and management. Within this section, find and select business. This is typically where the majority of account related settings are found, including the option to close your account. Once you've clicked on business, you'll need to scroll down through the information displayed. You're looking for the section labeled close your account. Stripe has made it fairly straightforward, but make sure you review any pertinent information there to understand the implications of closing your account. Finally, once at the close your account section, you'll see the option to complete the process. Click on close account. As you do this, just ensure that you're ready to proceed, as this action will deactivate the account and restrict access to various services associated with it. And there you have it. You've successfully closed your Stripe account. Remember, this process will terminate your access to any active Stripe services, so if you're closing the account due to technical issues or temporary circumstances, it might be worth contacting Stripe support for assistance before finalizing the closure. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in navigating through the process smoothly.